Dave and Rose Travels. In this video, we take you along with us to the breakfast buffet located within the Hotel HM Playa del Carmen. So stay tuned. For the last few days, we've been in Playa del Carmen, staying at the Hotel HM Playa del Carmen. Not only are the grounds spectacular, but they have a really tasty breakfast buffet. Going to eat breakfast. I'll show you where breakfast is at. Second floor. But before we continue on, let's talk about our last video, where we take you with us on a walk to the beach in Playa del Carmen. Then we take you along with us to a local independent brewery called Playa del Carmen. It's definitely a must-see, so make sure you watch that video. And now for the buffet. This breakfast buffet is located on the second floor of the Hotel HM Playa del Carmen. After being served some tasty coffee, we will show you around. And I just wanted to add that this breakfast buffet is a part of what you pay for when you are staying at the Hotel HM Playa del Carmen. Let's take a moment and talk about subscribing to our channel, Dave and Rose Travels. Subscribing is the only way to see future content. Make sure to hit that notification bell and maybe give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment. We love comments. So let me talk about this breakfast buffet. This was awesome. Fresh juice, fresh omelets, fresh coffee, and let's not forget the awesome people that work and run the Hotel HM Playa del Carmen.
Later.
In our upcoming video, we take you to La Vagabunda, which is located in Playa del Carmen's famous 5th Avenue. And while we were eating, a local came into the restaurant with his guitar, looking to play some music for someone within. So a table diagonal from us paid him and had him come to our table and play music. My husband had a conversation with him about his life in Playa del Carmen. So make sure you stay tuned for that video and subscribe to see that. We have a lot more great content coming from Playa del Carmen, so make sure you're subscribed so that you can see all of it. Remember, it's Dia de los Muertos, so there's all kinds of fun.